Guys, I'm going to start a GoFundMe because Remy's got me really worried. He started this today. He started that a couple hours ago. I'm really worried about him. I don't know if he has a fever or not. But he keeps doing this. I'm very scared. And I'm not working. I have not got disability yet, and he sounds worse than Lily did. I'm really scared, guys. I don't know. I gotta get him to the doctor somehow. And if somebody will graciously just give me a ride, for goodness sakes. It's so hard not having a car and people that you can't depend on around here. Really, I don't have anybody I can depend on. My son doesn't live nearby, or he would take us. But if this is Friday. If he's not better by Monday, somehow I'm going to get him to the vet. I don't know what's going on with him, but this is what he's doing. So I'm going to link the GoFundMe. Oh, please. Don't feel pressured if you can't help. I understand. I really understand. But he just started this and now I'm scared. My poor boy. Lily's okay now. She's fine. But I cleaned out her water bowl and the one that she drinks out of. Remy mostly don't drink out of it. He mostly drinks out of the, he wants the faucet from the tub. Don't you, my sweet boy? Oh, I'm so scared, you guys. Poor thing, he don't feel good. He was inside and then he came back out here. He likes to lay up here on this towel. Just say prayers that he'll be all right through the weekend, and I can get him to the vet by Monday. Just gotta work on somebody that'll take me. Gotta take us to the vet, huh? Because Uber, it says that drivers can refuse to let pets in the car unless they're therapy dogs. So I don't know, and I know he screams while he's in the cart. And the carrier, I'm sorry. When he's in a carrier, he'll scream the whole way. So I know the way he's feeling. I don't know if he'll have the strength to, but please pray that he makes it through he'll be okay through the weekend and I can get him to the vet. Because his vet is not in walking distance from here, so I have to have somebody take me. I'm sorry, boy. I'm really scared, you guys.